Honestly, I was really overwhelmed trying to get my house ready to sell. There were so many things I thought I needed to fix, and I didn't even know where to start. My real estate agent introduced me to MAP Design Solutions, and that changed everything. They came in and helped me focus on the highest impact updates without overspending. Things like deep cleaning, small repairs, and simple changes that made the home feel fresh and move-in ready. They also helped rearrange and style the spaces using what I already had, and brought in a few pieces to really elevate everything. Even the outside of the home was refreshed with small landscaping touches that made a big difference in curb appeal. It finally felt like everything worked together, and I could actually see how a buyer would walk through and fall in love with it. The whole process just felt so much easier and less stressful. We ended up getting my home under contract pretty quickly, and it sold in under 60 days. I would absolutely recommend them to anyone getting ready to sell. It just made the entire experience so much smoother.